morning ride. Guide me. Whoa. I'm on the rock paper. I'm on the rock. Yo. Good, where you have to make up? You look well already, I'm trying to get the skin, but everyone, that's all I'm trying to get you. No joke, man, no ice food, no Carlo. What are you doing? Serve Carlo. They don't serve the vampire, they don't serve the rest. We serve Carlo on the side all the time. More Carlo alone, with food. No, let's get that. You can't feed the vampire, man. You can't do meat. You can't do meat all the time. So you have macaroni and fish? Macaroni is Italian food. African don't make macaroni. Carbs, you see how it looks good now. You turn off the fridge. Yeah? You turn off the fridge. Well, I'm saying, lose the car and choose the back shop. Don't forget that. That's why Jamaica is so corrupt and they kill too much chicken. Say something like that thing for me, man. People. turn off the fridge, you know. You see Randy? You see me look. I'm gonna start workout yet. You know see it. Lose the cow and choose the pop show. Yo! Jamaican kill too much cow. That's why them so corrupt. Too much chicken dead down here. And pigs. Stop recording. July 14. So I buy my tickets still, you know. Somebody can buy a ticket for me, man, on the ground, sir. Like on another grande. See that? Paint up the thing. That'll be a nice little thing. Yes, Kings and Queens. And nice up the place. Who are the artists?
There's a lot of art.
Salute. Good work. Good work. If you need some help, link me. Alright? My name Randy, the girl named Candy. I perform next year. Alright. It's a Shabba see? Yeah man, I do hear you thing, you know, people. Great work you're doing there. If you need any help, let me know. Great work, man. See there. No, yeah, the question is this, no? Why is it every time them a contract the thing, me no see no? Hey! What? Man, they got a help box. I see how to get some sugar here. Jaja City, the Martini. Big up to Village, yeah? Hey! Big up to Village. $110 for bringing a laptop from Black Market for $300 and something. So, Jamaica set up where not bad. Airdrop JA are the best shipping company. I've got to write them a letter to make them sponsor the show. The car didn't know a little accident, you know, so I have to buy a bumper. Big up to Jackie. Big up to everybody. Africa Good Life. Go and subscribe to Africa Good Life on YouTube. You see? So we need video partners. People gonna be doing shows, all the return residents. What is the mission now? The book is done. We're finishing up some design for the shirts them. I'm gonna be going live shortly. Product development is done. Marcus Garvey movement was real. Yes, my king. And everything real, you know. So we go. When I go to the hills, we want to plant some castor oil now. Remember say, we say Marcus Garvey, you know. We say change and balance. And we say business in Jamaica, yeah? Bike lock up. I go Pier 1. So this is life in Montego Bay. This is Randy. So we stay. Life in Montego Bay. Big up on yourself. All the people, one love. So what I'm going to do today is a long time I'm not celebrate me. You see me? And the celebration of me. I live it and we're going to celebrate a little bit. It's been a long road, long journey, so we're going to eat some food and celebrate it too. The journey, the book published, and the environment and the vibration lovely and nice. I'm going to eat a big fish and celebrate the thing, you know? Because that's how we live, so why not? Full joy. Work hard to play. Me sooner or later. Camera, stop recording. Up close and personal. This is Randy. Right now, the bombing in Montego Bay. See the you see how some I live, you know. When you live on Montego Bay, bring the kids them in the sports car. So, steam bombing in Montego Bay, make us say. Nice. You know how come? You know see how them fish when they work around Jamaica, like they fly them up on vacation. A mango scotch bonnet. No. Spice them up. You know I like my pepper. I love my pepper. This is Jamaica. Yeah, man. So, it's been a lot of hard work, you know. The product done. Marcus Garvey we say. And now, the philosophy done. Stay to yourself. Stay out of trouble. This is what it's like living in Jamaica. Big up to all the Jamaicans abroad that work hard, you hear me say? You know, if you sometimes sell on a 401k, that's what I did, you know. I sell my 401k and start building here. My story is simple. When I start getting sick in New York, and oh man, I come here nice. I read that. I've got to move the tip, I've got to move in. So I sell my 401k and start build Jamaica go live. I'm going to build Jamaica health box later. I'm trying to ship out products all over the world. The first time I've ever had a business partnership in my life. We have to know who you are partnered up with. They have to have a similar spiritual system to you, a similar truth. This fish right here, so people, just live. Got fish here. Got fish here. And one of the freshest, nicest. That fish here. When you come Jamaica, go Pier 1 and get that fish here. And put the mango hot sauce on it. Now, about $33. You see the vibe? The fish here and the steam, bame. I get some plantain too. It's the so then What you want to do is partner up with Jamaicans that have to take your time with people. Jaja. No, sir. One of the best excavations. You know what we need in Jamaica? Table fly hangers. Jaja, them have to go learn how to do that. But really, even if it's a container you live in Jamaica, let me tell you some business ideas. One of the most important business is to develop a product in Jamaica. If you need me to consult with you and teach you how to do the barcode, the design, how to get a product formulated and certified shipping out of Jamaica, I'll pay you to help you. No, I mean, you pay me to help you. I'm not free. So, a lot of years, you want to build your website. You see, when you build your website, and when you want to send out mass emails, you have to know how to set up an online business. So, I'm going to do a master class on that. Or if anybody wants me to consult with them, my retainer fee is $2,000 US just to retain me. Just to talk to me and retain me to have a conversation with you for a week. $2,000 US. Because with the knowledge that I've gained in doing business in Jamaica, worth $1 million. But we're nowhere near that. Jamaica's about never giving up. When you come to Jamaica, you don't listen to family. You don't give up. Learn the Jamaicans way. You have to put your life on the line, literally. Sometimes you have to eat chicken back. But give thanks, my sister. Respect, yeah?
No
Thank
problem,
you so much.
sir. You're welcome.
See that? Yeah. See that? Wow. Beautiful. It's a Jamaica. Once. Alright, here what? You see, yeah man, love it. Talk to me later.